Albania Tech-Hub is funded by the UK government and implemented by British Embassy in Tirana. The hub is specifically designed to equip this tech startup coming from the Western Balkan countries with the right knowledge, digital skills and capability to enter the international market. It consists of the training phase, 8 workshop sessions delivered by the best British consultants, just to mention some of them. David Clayton, who mentors high-growth businesses and works with organizations like the BBC and Facebook. And Keleda Mata, an Albanian success story currently working at Google and the founder of Congress of London. David Fogel, who has worked with more than 450 startups across the world, helping them to develop their products into the full-grown businesses. The second phase of the project, an exchange program to London, which provides meaningful opportunities to meet prospective customers, to generate sales and partnerships in the UK. Also provide opportunities to pitch UK accelerators to understand the bar to entry. London Week is unique. Besides the business meetings, the entrepreneurs have the opportunity to visit some of the biggest organizations in the world, such as Google and London Stock Exchange, while the highlight of the visit is the tour at Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office and the Parliament. Third phase of the program, one-on-one coaching sessions between the British consultant and our alumni. The expert check, amend and co-create the growth strategy each entrepreneur has in place and suggest actions to deliver a gain strategy for a period of 6 months. While there is so much uncertainty in regard with the impact of COVID-19, we all agree that one thing is clear. Technology has never been more central than it is right now. Digitalization is the future, and the ones accelerating their digital transformation will be poised for success in the data area is unfolding before our eyes. To all the entrepreneurs, there is no success built in one day. It requires efforts, persistence and courage to never stop working on your dream.